Let us solve another word problem on the applications of HCF. What is the greatest number that divides 256 and 112, leaving remainder 4 and 7 respectively? Hint: if the question asks for the greatest, largest, maximum, or highest number that divides all the given numbers exactly or leaves specified reminders, then we need to find the HCF. Step 1. Since the given numbers leave reminders, subtract the respective reminders from them. That is, 256 minus 4 gives you 252 and 112 minus 7 gives you 105. Step 2. Let us find the HCF of 252 and 105 using Euclid's algorithm. Step 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. In this case, when we divide 252 by 105, we get 2 as the quotient and 42 as the remainder. Step 2. If the remainder is not 0, then the remainder becomes the new divisor and the previous divisor becomes the new dividend. In this case, 42 becomes the new divisor and 105 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 105 by 42, we get 2 as the quotient and 21 as the remainder. Since the remainder is not 0, repeat step 2. In this case, 21 becomes the new divisor and 42 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 42 by 21, we get 2 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Step 3. If the remainder is 0, then the last divisor is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 252 and 105 is 21. So, the greatest number that divides 256 and 112, leaving reminders 4 and 7 respectively, is 21. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more such tricky questions on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the complete playlist. Thank you.